This is the 50th anniversary of the Vietnam Commemorative Medal presentation. 24 Army, Navy, Air Force, and Marines are being recognized for their service in what many called an unpopular war.
These guys did not come home to a hero's welcome. They were scorned for their service. They would not wear their uniforms in public.
24 veterans of the Vietnam War were honored today at this commemorative medal ceremony.
Among those honored today was a Silver Star recipient, another Distinguished Flying Cross Medal winner. Army vet James Jones of Flushing was awarded the Purple Heart.
A mortar round came in through the roof of the barracks, so they pulled me out and took me to the hospital, and then I ended up on the coast where they, did the surgery to get the lead out and stuff like that.
Another Army sergeant honored is Joseph Kaufman of Smithtown, who still cringes when he thinks about the war.
I don't think they were treated well at all, especially coming home, and then we fought, we lost a lot of stuff over there, men, and then we just walked away.
God bless you for your service to this country. Our flag flies today because men and women, such as yourself, step forward to serve and defend our country.
Each veteran got the gold Vietnam Medal as proud families snapped photos and the U.S. Coast Guard Auxiliary Band played a salute at the Airpower Museum in Farmingdale. Drew Scott, Newsday TV.